Hi, this is Sarah. Welcome to my video on top gigs to start on Fiverr with the help of ChatGPT. Whether you're looking to make some extra money you're already making on Fiverr or you're just exploring new ways to make money online, then this video is for you. Let's talk about these top gigs you can start with help of ChatGPT without wasting your time. At number 1 on my list is a product description. You can help e-commerce businesses by providing product descriptions, and ChatGPT will help you in this. Let me show you some examples of people doing product description services on Fiverr. You can see different sellers here providing the services of product descriptions on Fiverr on different platforms like Shopify and Amazon. Let's have a look at one gig here. This seller is providing Amazon content writing service, and the prices are starting from $120 per gig. Now, how ChatGPT can help you in this is you need to open ChatGPT and please write Amazon product description for example, I'm writing red handbags. So you will see how quickly ChatGPT has given the result and a complete description for red handbag. You can regenerate response and edit text as per the requirement of your Fiverr customer. You can create product descriptions for different platforms using the same way on ChatGPT. At number 2 is SEO optimization. You can provide SEO optimization services to websites by optimizing their content. Let's see some examples. Here you can see examples of different freelancers providing services of SEO, and they have different prices, starting prices for the gigs. Use ChatGPT to research and incorporate relevant keywords into clients' content. The next gig you can start on Fiverr is resume and cover letter writing. ChatGPT can help you in drafting professional CVs and professional cover letters. Use ChatGPT to assist in drafting professional and tailored documents. The next gig is translation services. There are many people on Fiverr providing translating services where they are translating content from one language to another. ChatGPT assists you in translating the content, which you can refine yourself. The next one is email marketing campaigns. You can assist businesses in email marketing campaigns. You can use ChatGPT to write compelling emails and subject lines. The next gig you can start is academic assistance for students and researchers. It includes article writing, summary writing, essays writing, case studies, and help in thesis. Next comes proofreading and editing. You can offer proofreading and editing services for written content on Fiverr. Use ChatGPT to check grammar and written style issues. Let's have a look at examples of people offering this service and earning money. We can see different sellers on Fiverr providing this service of proofreading and editing on Fiverr. You can edit grammatical errors and punctuation errors, spelling errors, improper words use, sentence structure, and ChatGPT will help you in this. The next gig is script outlines. You can provide this service to many of the content creators who are looking for someone helping them in writing script outlines. Provide script outlines for video content, speeches, or presentations. Use ChatGPT to generate the initial structure and content. Another gig on Fiverr where ChatGPT can help you is providing business taglines and slogans services. You can generate catchy slogans for the businesses and provide them to the people looking for these services on Fiverr. Let's have a look at these sellers here who are providing the taglines and slogans services here and charging good money. ChatGPT can create for you as many slogans as you want, and you can edit and submit. My top suggestion here is to be transparent with your clients. You can tell your clients that you are using AI to complete these Fiverr gigs, and the final work meets all the requirements they want. Another gig on my list is social media post ideas. Many content creators and influencers on social media are looking for someone who can help them in content ideas. You can generate content ideas with the help of ChatGPT and offer your services on Fiverr. You can offer business proposals, services on Fiverr, and ChatGPT will help you in this. You can assist startups and entrepreneurs by creating business proposals. Use ChatGPT to generate sections or content for the proposals. The next gig you can start is creative writing and storytelling. You can provide story writing services for short stories, scripts, or poetry. Use ChatGPT to write the content for you. You can edit it yourself and write it in a good form. My top suggestion to use ChatGPT, which I have also mentioned in my previous videos, is that when you search something on ChatGPT, make sure you regenerate content, because other people looking for same content on ChatGPT can give them the same response. So you need to regenerate response and find the best response from ChatGPT. Then you have to edit it in your own words. Copy content and ask ChatGPT to edit it for you in different words, in simple words. You can also edit it yourself. You can check copyrights of the content you are providing on Fiverr on different websites, and also you can check plagiarism through plagiarism checkers. There are many free different plagiarism checkers you can use to check plagiarism. Make sure you're providing unique content to your customers on Fiverr, even by using ChatGPT. The last one on my list today is market research reports. You can help businesses in researching and creating marketing research reports. ChatGPT can help you in data gathering and analysis. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Look after yourself and other people around you. Bye.